Okay, welcome back again to another video. This is where I reach. I put these different parts on, and so now doing the skirts. I guess that's what you call them, the skin, these sections. All this already on, and so now we have this piece here to put on, and this piece here goes right here, and that will work for that. Now the other part that I have to put on is another piece right here. This part right here. This section goes just like this. That fit right there. And I think this is a cable that goes for the lock, the hood lock. And so, or what you call the seat lock, goes on the seat. So now I will take this piece and I will put it, this should fit right here. Right along here. You see this here. This fit right up in here like that. See right here. And this goes right along here and goes right here. So I'm gonna put this on now. So here we are. This piece is gonna fit right here. Right here. And then I'll just go ahead and screw it up and we should be good. All right. And so we have this piece here that goes right along here, and that's just a footrest thing that you put here, and then we screw it in with screws and we should be okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that goes here. Okay, perfect.